There is little known about the life history of the Australian humpback dolphin, including their reproductive parameters. Understanding the reproductive parameters of such a vulnerable species is an integral aspect to evaluating the level of vulnerability and viability of populations and informing conservation action. Since 2014, we at Dolphin Research Australia, with our teams of volunteers, have been researching the Australian humpback dolphins in Moreton Bay, Queensland. This population is resident throughout the year and consists of around 130 to 150 individuals. As part of this long-term research, we take photographs of each individual's dorsal fins and then use this to identify each individual using distinct markings on those fins. From this, we can then compile their life histories. We also make detailed recordings of their behaviours in the field and if they have a calf present with them. Using these detailed data sets, we were able to investigate aspects of the reproductive parameters of this species. Over the 6 years of data we analysed from 2014 to 2020, around 56% of adults were identified as females. This equated to a ratio of around 3 females to every 1 male within the Moreton Bay population. While births can occur throughout the year, we did observe a very distinct birth peak that coincides with the late autumn and early winter months. These females appear to give birth on average every 3 years, while we estimate that within this population, approximately 63% of calves survive to the age of 1 year, with only 44% surviving to the age of 2. Our findings indicate that this population has limited reproductive capacity, with low recruitment rates and survival rates of offspring. This brings into question the level of vulnerability and resilience of this population to withstand the cumulative pressures from anthropogenic or human activities that pose a threat to their well-being and survival. It also questions their ability to recover from acute weather events such as floods. Our findings will now be integrated into further assessments to understand the vulnerability and viability of this population and how we can best conserve and protect them. We'd like to thank all of the sponsors, the grant bodies, our partners, and the many volunteers who have helped with this project over the years. You can now read the full journal article in the Journal of Marine Mammal Science.